Hello everyone, welcome to our webinar, and I'm Kalina and John, the marketing specialist here at Strokes Exhibits. Today we'll be discussing upon the 5 tips for designing exhibition stands for the beauty world Middle East. Step 1. Plan your exhibition stands well in advance. Early planning. Exhibition stand designs require careful planning and execution. If you're exhibiting in Beauty World Middle East Dubai, one of the largest beauty trade events, early planning is needed. Concept development. Decide on the overall look and feel of your stand. Do you want it sleek and minimal, or do you want something very warm and attractive? Once you've settled on the concept, think about the colors, the furniture, the style, or the arrangement. Then you have the planning impact. By planning your design in advance, you will ensure that your stand makes a lasting impression for whoever sees it. Step 2. Using a professional exhibition stand designer. Value of expertise. So, an experienced exhibitor knows the careful planning is the key to successful trade show, especially when it comes to this event, the Beauty World Middle East Dubai. Benefits of them. Working with a professional stand designer helps you to create a stand that attracts attention, drives traffic, and generates leads. These expertise ensure that your stand is not only visually appealing but also very functional at the very same time. Step 3. Using branding and logo. What is the importance of this? Branding is very essential for any success for any event. A strong brand that helps customers identify your company and its products, inspiring loyalty and confidence. Visual identity. A well-designed stand with strong visual identity can make a lot of difference. And then it will also help your designer understand what kind of color theme or color palette he should work with for your stand. Step 4. Think about the layout of your exhibition stand. An effective layout will help your stand in the access of your products and the customer flow out. It should be very eye-catching and designed so that it holds a maximum number of products as well as allowing a large amount of customers to come and go. Be prepared for questions and provide information. Be ready to provide information about your products and answer visitor questions. Offer an overview of the benefits of your products and how they can impress or improve the appearance of the users. Industry knowledge. Stay informed about the latest trends in the beauty industry and make recommendations based on the individual needs. Budget and creativity. Budget consideration. When planning your design and your stand design basically, consider what budget you would be hoping to achieve. If you have a limited budget, be creative and bold. Target audience. Think about what are you going to sell and who are you going to target. Your goal is to make a lasting impression, so don't be afraid to be bold. So who should be your partner for the Beauty World event? Well, there's no doubt there, Strokes Exhibits. Strokes Exhibits has been in this industry for the past 20 years and has been a leading exhibition stand design company. We specialize in creating unique and impactful stands for beauty and the premier brands. We believe in successful exhibition and we go beyond structures and spaces and graphics. We deliver high-impact brand communication stands that speaks out to the audience and to the customers. So let's summarize. The top tips for designing an exhibition stand for the Beauty World Middle East Dubai are to plan well in advance, use a professional designer, focus on strong branding, and think about the layout and your budgeting. Now let's open the floor for any questions. If you have any questions, please share them down in the comments. So that's all folks. Thank you for joining us today. If you're looking for a professional help with your exhibition stand, please contact Strokes Exhibits today for a free consultation. Have a great day.